Welcome back, guys. On this video, we're going to take a look at the area and the volume of a half of a sphere, So the funny part about this kind of stuff is that in your exam, they're going to give you the formula of a full sphere, and they give you a half of a sphere. They just want to test your knowledge and see if you understand these two things. So if you have watched our previous videos, we talk about the sphere. The volume, the area of funding the sphere is 4 pi r squared, and the volume is 4/3 pi r squared, as you can see here. But here we are given a half of a sphere, which is this, just like it from this is a half of a sphere, actually, So to find an area of a half of a sphere, you just have to put 1/2. Since they just have this kind of stuff, you just have to put 1/2 4 pi r squared. Here's something that I want to tell you. When they give you this kind of a shape, which is a half of a sphere, they're going to give you this formula, and they expect you to understand that this is not the full sphere. This is they're going to give you the formula of a full of a sphere, So since this one is half, you just have to put 1/2 and have this kind of an area that is there. Also, on the volume of this kind of stuff, I'm just going to say half, and you put the formula that you know, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. So this is it for this kind of an area and the volume of a sphere. It's very, very easy. What you need to know is that in your exam, when they give you the half of a sphere, they're going to give you these formulas, and these formulas are for what? Are for a full sphere. For this full sphere. This one is the half sphere. So to find an area of it, you're still going to use the same formulas, but how? You're going to put the half and half, just because this kind of stuff is a half here. So this is going to be 1/2 4 pi, and our r is what? Is 10 squared. 10 squared. So if you work this one out in a calculator, you're going to get 200 pi, which is 628.32 centimeters squared. So even here, just going to just say the same thing. This is going to be half, which is 4/3 pi. Our r is 10, which is 10 cubed squared. So if you work this one in a calculator, you're going to get 2094.39 centimeters cube. So this is it for this video, guys. What I want you to take away when you have a half of a sphere is that the formulas that you use in your exam, they're going to give you these formulas, but these formulas that are here are for a full sphere. So in order for you to be able to use it, you just have to put a half, here. They're not going to give you an area of a sphere like this. They're going to give you it like this. So this is it for this video, guys. See you on my next video. Sharp.